Hello everyone, James here, and today we're going to be going over our first tutoring video as well as the exponent laws. We're only going to go over two today, so the first thing that I want to do is to go over exponents. What are exponents? Exponents take a number to a higher power of itself. That basically means that it's multiplying a number by itself given by the power over here. So take, for example, 2 to the power of 2, or 2 squared, is basically 2 times 2, which, if you already know, that's 4. But how do we go even further with exponents? Well, we move over to the two laws over here. The law of multiplication and the law of division. Basically, it says that if any exponent or any base that has the same base, basically two numbers that have the same base, same number, are multiplied by each other, you can add their exponents. For example, take 2 squared times 2 squared. Well, that equals 2 to the power of 4. That also equals 16. Following so far? Okay, so let's move on to division. Division takes two numbers that have the same base if they're divided by each other and subtract the exponents. So basically you're going to be playing a game of adding and subtracting with the exponents with these laws. So let's take another example. 2 squared divided by 2 squared will equal 2 to the power of 0. Now this comes up to another law. If anything, doesn't matter what it is, x, y, 1 billion, if it goes to the power of 0, it's always going to equal 1. So why is that? Why does it equal 1? Well, let's try out a new little game. So, first we're going to do one of the problems. 2 squared times 2 squared. Then we're also going to take another one. 2 squared minus 2 squared. Never confuse these two. There's a difference. Okay, so let's put this in factored form. Factors are basically the numbers used in a multiplication problem. So, the numbers used in this multiplication problem are 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 2. Here, it's just 2 times 2, parentheses, minus, we'll put this down here, 2 times 2, right? So, first thing up here is, in a division problem, if they're the same number or they're divisible by each other, they cancel out. Since we have 2 4s up here, 2 2s up here, and 2 2s down here, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, this becomes 1. Over here, we just simplify this. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 minus 4. Right? So let's erase this and simplify it further. 1 over 1 equals 1. It also equals 2 minus 2, which then equals 2 to the power of 0. That's why 2 to the power of 0 always equals 1. Over here, 4 minus 4 equals 0. They don't come to the same conclusion. Remember, never do that. Same with multiplication. Never do 2 squared plus 2 squared. Doesn't come out right. Alright, that's it for this week. Practice and we'll see each other next week, okay? Have fun, guys!